Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back in the saddle with yet another video. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, push that notification bell, and smash that like button. Show your girl some love and become a part of the Diamond Squad. Now let's jump right into this orange-red sunset-ish look. For this look, Diamonds, you definitely want to apply your favorite base so that these colors will stand out and pop. For this, I chose my P. Louise base in Rumor 2. When I started this video, I really didn't know what I wanted to do, but I know I wanted it to be bright and in your face. So I decided to go in with Mexicana and my MAC 239 brush. I packed that on my entire lid into the shape I wanted, which was this kind of a cat eye shape. Then I took my Morphe M456 brush and packed Soul right above that to help blend out that edge. Now I'm just going back and forth between Mexicana and Soul, using a variety of brushes. This process took the longest. Although I show maybe 1 minute of this clip, it was actually about 10 minutes long. One thing I will say about these palette or pressed pigments, period, is that they're really hard to work with sometimes. You have to pack and then blend, or your shadows will become patchy. To razzle dazzle my lid, I took my Luxie 213 eye shading brush and applied Allegra to the center of my lid. I had a really hard time getting it to stick to Mexicana, so I highly recommend using a flat brush with compact bristles, something like a 239 brush by MAC. To add a little drama to this look, I'm going to grab my Super Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Grease. Absolutely love this stuff. It's matte. It does not move. It's A1 in my book. To prep my face for my foundation, I grabbed my Milk Makeup's Hydro Grip Primer. Absolutely love this stuff. Don't know why I don't use it more often. For foundation, I applied Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade 360. To highlight, I applied my Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline in the shade Hazelnut. To set my highlight, I went in with my Fenty Beauty's Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I used the shade Cashew. To contour, I grabbed my FX Perfector Face Palette in medium deep. I use this for my contour, my blush, and my highlighter. For the first time, I used all three of those. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And once again, as usual, I have no idea where I got these fluffy beauties from. For my inner corner highlight, I grabbed the 420 palette by Melt Cosmetics and went in with Shatter. To line these lips, I took my NYX lip liner in Downtown Beauty. For lipstick, I use Maybelline's Orange Danger. It is number 805. And Diamonds, this is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Diamonds, be safe. Take care of one another in these crazy times. Diamonds, as always, until next time.